Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 82,700 right now, and it is right now under $85,000. But as I have said, we need to be under $85,000 with two full body candles for 2 days. Only after that I can start saying that we are heading down towards $74,000, and then we can start panicking and start crying together. I mean, I'm not invested, but I'm talking on your behalf. You can always invite me to the cry parties and I'll participate with you. So none of that has happened yet. We are not at that stage where we can say that, okay, it is conclusive that this thing is heading down and things are over. We have seen what have we seen? We have seen 81,500 as one area, and then it tried to recover and it went back down. So right now it might be that as well. But on 4 hours we have an interesting structure in the development. So let's talk about that. So at 81,500 we have a double top, and it's very clean. One top, second top. This is the same thing that was double bottom. That's why I keep on telling you that double bottom of today can become a double top of tomorrow, and a double top of tomorrow can become a double bottom of the day after that. So structures, they can change and reverse. It all depends on the neckline. So the neckline for this thing, for the double top was here. It didn't even bother going up. The neckline of this is here, of double top. So it is very close to it. It hasn't touched it, but it wants to. It's far. It is pretty far in terms of dollar value, but visually you can see it's not that far. So until and unless it doesn't break below this area, this is on 4 hours, so it needs to break below this area only for 8 hours, form 2 daily candles, then it will be delivering on this structure. Now the question that you should ask is that how low it can go. Well, the minimum deliverance on this structure is from 85 to 81,500. That is 3,500, I think. Yes. So it can go 3,500 below 81,500. That makes it 78, which means that on the basis of this structure, of this double top, it can go down towards $78,000. And if it is not holding 85K, we are expecting it to go towards $74,000 anyway, but that's the larger perspective. But from smaller perspective, from short-term perspective, if it loses 81,500 and forms 2 candles below it, each candle is 4 hours, you should understand it is heading down towards $78,000. And even if we look at Bitcoin from the trend line perspective, it is on a beautiful downward trend line. Oh my god, I stopped the rotation. I was reading manhwa. I was reading manhwa yesterday all day for solo leveling. I finished it, so the rotation was blocked on the phone anyway. So this thing, it is from the peak 108 up till now. You can see that this thing is continuously under the downward trend, and we have no hopes of reversal yet. Once we have hopes, I'll let you know, but I'm expecting still March to be green. I told you that till 74K I'm chilled out. I'll start panicking if it goes below 74. Then I would assume that, okay, March is not going to be green. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.